What if you could turn two separate photos into a realistic AI kissing video? In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete workflow, from preparing your photos and creating the kissing image to turning it into a video. And I'll also show you how to create and refine the prompts along the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your photos. First, we need two good quality portrait photos. Since the final result depends heavily on the reference images, I recommend enhancing them first if they're low resolution or slightly blurry. Here, I'm using HitPaw FotorPea's photo enhancer to improve the image quality and facial details. Simply upload your photos, choose the enhancement option, and generate. Now we have cleaner reference images that are ready for the next step. Next, we're going to create the kissing image. Instead of writing a complicated prompt from scratch, I like to start with a simple formula. Who, what, where, camera perspective, details. The details are optional, but you can add things like clothing, facial expressions, lighting, or movement if you want more control over the result. For example, I'll simply describe who I want in the image, what they're doing, where the scene takes place, and how I want the camera to capture it. Then, I'll throw this basic prompt into ChatGPT and ask it to turn my idea into a more detailed image generation prompt. This is much easier than trying to figure out all the prompt details yourself, and you can usually get a much more polished result. Now, let's take this refined prompt and generate our kissing image in FotorPea. I've tested quite a few models in FotorPea, and for this particular workflow, Google Gemini gave me the most consistent results when it came to preserving the character's appearance. So that's the model I recommend if character consistency is your priority. And if you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, I recommend using a 9:16 aspect ratio from the beginning. Now, let's generate the image. And here's our result. We now have a single image that brings the two separate characters together in the same scene, while keeping their appearance much more consistent. This image will be the foundation for our next step, where we'll turn it into a kissing video. Step 3. Turn the image into a video. Now let's turn this kissing image into a video. Upload the generated image to your AI video generator. Here I'm using HitPaw VikPea, and choose an image-to-video model. For the prompt, we can keep things relatively simple. I'll use create a natural cinematic video of the couple gently moving toward each other and sharing a soft kiss. Preserve their facial features, hairstyles, clothing, and identity. Add subtle natural movement and realistic facial expressions. Then click Generate. And here's the final result. If you want to try this workflow yourself, I've left the links in the description. You can use its photo enhancer to prepare your reference images and its photo generator to create the kissing image before turning it into a video. I've also included the prompts in the description, so you can copy them and try the workflow yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.